Hello everybody! Today I will be showing how to make a winged ear cuff, like this. And I was going for a Gothic raven type of themed look, but depending on the beads you use in the color scheme, you can go for any style you want. For this project you will need a main primary wire that will be used to make the base, the wing design of this ear cuff, a thinner wire for embellishments, and whichever beads or stones you would like to use for embellishments. I happen to have stone chips, seed beads, and just some glass beads lying around, and I use them to embellish this ear cuff. The base of the ear cuff will look somewhat like this. This is a sample. I create the base without even cutting off the primary wire, so I don't have to estimate the total length that I will need. Begin by making a swirl at one end of the wire. Make the first feather element. This is a simple loop with a sharp bend. Keep looping around the wire to make consecutive feathers. The feathers will be forming an arc, so there will be a small angle between each feather. Stop after making the first 4 feathers. The following is the most important step of the whole process. You will be making the cuffs that wrap around your ear and hold the ear cuff in place. The cuff is formed by bending the wire first, making bend in one direction, and then taking it around and bending it in the other direction. You get this little almost oval form. You could call it a big loop of wire, but this part of the cuff will bend inwards and this one will bend inwards. They will form the little parts that hook around your ear. Do take the time at this point to really make sure these fit correctly. This is the most difficult and most important part of the whole process. You can adjust it later, but it will be more difficult. Make sure it fits as comfortably as possible now. This is what my cuff piece looks like. It will be different for everybody. This is a reference to how it looks like. Make sure to bring the free end of the wire above the bottom cuff piece. This is done so that when you continue making the feathers, looping them around, you won't be able to really see the cuff piece on the finished product, and it will look as if the feathers are one continuous piece. Add 3 more smaller feathers and the base is now complete. It can be worn as is, or it can be further embellished. To do this, take a thinner piece of wire and wrap it around the base to fixate it. Then, take your beads and just start decorating it in really whichever way you want to. Just take your beads and in really pretty arbitrary way decide where you want to put them. I chose to put seed beads in every wing tip, the white ones, and black stone chips in the spaces between the wings. Somewhere in the middle I also added this black centerpiece. I think the best place to put a center bead is right above the cuff piece, somewhere right there in that empty space. Once you finish embellishing, your ear cuffs are now complete. Wear them with pride and show off to everybody your handwork. Thank you for watching!